Once again, I got a 30-card fat pack of 2022 Donruss football. Let's begin. David Montgomery, Sean Alexander, Hall of Famer, Devontae Adams, last year's leader in receiving yards. Carson Wentz, I do believe he is a free agent still. Chris Carson, Jamal Williams, Greg Rousseau, Big Play Slay, Jacoby Myers, Lamar, now your highest paid player in the NFL, Curtis Martin, John Randall, Saquon, the great Jim Kelly, Najee Harris, J.C. Horn, Hall of Famer Dan Fouts, Greg Newsome, Mecole Hardman, Cordarrelle Patterson, Kenyon Drake, Jameson Williams, rated rookie. This is a yeah, it is. It's a portrait of Chris Olave. Very nice, rated rookie portrait. Had over 1,000-yard receiving last year. Let's see how he will do with Derek Carr as his new quarterback. Quinnen Williams, David Bell, and Leonard Fournette. This is a blue parallel. I do believe he is still a free agent at the moment. There it is for that break. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe.